Let's talk about some different arm line variations that you can do with the short, fast kicks.
We've talked about the arms being straight for the straight leg kick to the front, but we can actually do a few other arm lines. Here are some of my favorites.
So this is the big kick to the front. So instead of the big long arm action, we're doing breaststroke. Now when we do breaststroke, of course the shoulders are not going to rotate.
Breaststroke.
Reverse stroke, again, not a movement pattern that you're going to be rotating your torso, but the arms open out. Look at how far the arms go back.
What I call reverse stroke.
And this is one of my favorites, the double arm sweep from side to side. Now we've got the rotation coming back in again. Look at that head turn, big head turn.
Both arms sweeping across the body. When you do the breaststroke and reverse stroke, you're not going to rotate your torso. But once you start sweeping the arms across the body, the torso rotation comes back in again. All of those movements are done with your fingers apart. Always. You're always creating drag. Otherwise, there's no real purpose to it. To be able to do that breaststroke and reverse stroke effectively, so your arms are not too small, you've got to get lots of height out of the pool because you need that little bit of extra time to complete that movement action to start it again. Arm actions for the short, fast, straight leg kick to the front can also be different from just going forwards and back. You can do both arms to the front, you can go front and side, you can also push down.
This is with both arms to the front, elbows coming right back, double push, front and side, heels still coming down to the bottom of the pool.
When my arms go to the front and to the side, I'm still moving the hands in towards the body, which is a little bit different when I'm just pushing forwards. So forwards, I don't pull in, I just drive forwards. But when I go forwards and side, I go forwards, turn, side, turn. Forwards, turn, side, turn.
The hands pushing down, they don't turn around either. When you press down, your palms don't turn around.
The pushing down with the straight leg kick to the front works very, very well because it's short lever motion actions. I can also do a little combination of those arms.
Front, side, down, down. Front, side, down, down.
All the time making sure that my heels are coming down to the bottom of the pool. You can also do a scooping action with the short fast kicks. Hands are cupped, rolling the shoulders back. The tempo of it is slightly different, so it's important that you choose the appropriate music.
So when you do this one, it's a little bit slower than when you just push the arms forwards because you've got so much more movement through the upper body. But look at how much the shoulders move. Now you're getting rotation.
Definitely gets the heart rate up, that's for sure.
So there's some different ways that you can use your arms for the big straight leg kicks and the short range fast kicks. So just some variations there. And I'm sure that you can come up with a few more of your own. Of course, I know that you can. They were just some examples, maybe some that you hadn't thought of, maybe some that you can add to your repertoire. But the thing is, make sure that you get in the pool and work it out. Breaststroke with the fast kicks to the front does not work. Doesn't work because this movement pattern requires a bigger, slower movement action. So it works much better with the big straight leg, front leg kick. So make sure that you try it out yourself in the pool before you launch it to your participants.